Research identifies several personality traits and developmental outcomes often associated with children raised in conservative families. These traits are frequently linked to both the parenting styles common in these households and the temperamental predispositions that predict adult political views. Observed personality traits. Children from conservative households often exhibit specific behavioral and cognitive patterns. Higher conscientiousness and orderliness. Studies consistently show a positive association between conservatism and the orderliness aspect of conscientiousness. These children may be more inclined toward tidiness, organization, and a strong work ethic. Preference for stability and structure. Conservative-raised children may stick to established solutions that work rather than exploring unknown methods. They often exhibit a more structured approach to decision-making and a higher value for personal responsibility and caution. Lower openness to experience. Research indicates these children may be less likely to try new things or explore risky positions, such as guessing an answer they are unsure of in academic settings. Temperamental fearfulness. Longitudinal studies have found that children who display higher levels of fearfulness or over-controlled behavior at a young age, as early as age 3 or 54 months, are more likely to hold conservative views as adults. Parenting and mental health. Recent data from 2023 to 2026 suggests specific correlations between conservative parenting and child well-being, better mental health outcomes. A 2024 report noted that adolescents of conservative parents were significantly more likely, 77%, to report good or excellent mental health, compared to those of liberal parents, 55%. Stronger relationships. These families often report higher quality relationships characterized by more warmth, fewer arguments, and stronger bonds. Authoritarian style and discipline. Conservative parents are more likely to use traditional parenting strategies, effectively balancing discipline with affection. However, extremely authoritarian or autocratic styles, high psychological control, have been linked to potential negative outcomes like higher anxiety, or, in some studies, maladaptive traits if the control is excessive. Social and moral development. In-group cohesion. Conservative parenting often focuses on promoting in-group ties and conformity as a form of social stability. Moral judgments. Children from these households may develop a greater focus on traditional family values and may judge moral violations more harshly, especially those perceived as threats to family or safety. Attachment style. Research has linked an anxious attachment style in early childhood, fearing abandonment or reflecting insecurity, with a higher likelihood of growing up conservative.